Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Hi guys, not Umusa saying ukuthi yes, he did say ukuthi abahambayo sosala sincenga, but he's saying ukuthi guys, I did not really mean that. Hi guys, after he has this meeting with his wives guys, he makes sure ukuthi he runs uMangwabe's house to make sure ukuthi ayibo uMangwabe akapakishanga or she's not on her way out, you guys. And I'm just like, this man, one thing about Umusa guys, and I've been saying this throughout all the seasons, those diary sessions guys, zinikeza abantu amandla nje angekho. He will say things on his diary session, but listen, face to face when he's with those wives, Haibo, he lengas them. And according to what I've seen, guys, I don't know a wife that Umusa lengas njengomangwabe, guys. Aibo, so he gets to Umangwabe's house before Umangwabe even gets home, because remember they were traveling with different transports. So that night was the night he's supposed to go and sleep kwa Matsele. So he goes and drop off Matsele. Guys, that time's cutscene at around 11. Got indoda ijahe umangwade. So he drops off Matsele, and then Umakumano Ben Umangwabe were traveling in one car, Umayeni was traveling in our own car. So by the time Umangwabe comes in our house, we are manga nuguti aibo manje wena ufuna nlana because I was not expecting you yam. And he's like, ngiyacela cela ungangilahle ngisakuthanda. Umangwabe loves. She's like, Aibo, ngikuhlupha kangaka ungithandani? He's like, uyazi na ukuthi ngikuthanda kakhulu. And Umangwabe's like, Aibo, angithi wena you painted me as a bad person. Angithi mina ngikuphekeli, angifuni ukulala nawe. You counted all of these things, and mina the only thing I did not say ukuthi do not take wife number 5. The only thing I said was that if wife number 5 uyangena mina ngiyaphuma, you guys. But Umangwabe says in her diary session ukuthi I know ukuthi uMusa akasangithandi because mina ngikhuluma kakhulu. Guys, you know there was someone who said ukuthi Umangwabe, she seems changed in this season, and I was saying hey, it's too early to 10. Hi guys, I take my words back. There's something, man, that's changed about Umangwabe that I'm just like, Aibo, it's giving, yes, there is still that bit of Mangwabe-ness inside of her, but it's like she's toned down a little bit. Angazi ke kwaNgwabe if bambizele i-meeting bamhlalisa phansi bamtshela ukuthi hayi phela, as a wife I was phathi kanje, like, you know, do things differently this time around, because she seems a bit more calmer, you guys. Even the way she was speaking noMusa, she was laughing when uMusa was busy ngengering her. At this point, I'm just like, is Umangwabe enjoying ukuncenga uMusa? Because hey, uMusa had his tail in between his legs, begging there ukuthi nengane phela mina, what I want is that mina ngifuna ukuthi sikhohlwe nje. We must forget everything that I said in the past. I want us to focus on our future and building this family. Sikhulisa ingane zethu. Nangu Mawande, she's going to high school. Uzenande uyastinga, like Umusa's trying to use the strategy yengane yokuthi ingane ziyastinga, so we can't break up. Umangwabe in her diary session, she says, listen, ingane nje, they don't need parents to be together in order for them to grow up. Mina nakuke, I have a son. I'm no longer with the father of my son, and my child is growing and is flourishing. But anyway, Umusa begs there, and Umangwabe just says, listen, there's no guarantee. But guys, the way Umangwabe was blushing there, Umusa's even complimenting her. Guys, out of all of these women, the only woman you called beautiful that night is Umangwabe. Not even on the table he could have said something like that. I don't remember him saying that. One thing he will noma Umangwabe, angazi ukuthi Umangwabe uMusa mekabheka Umangwabe ukuthi yamchama, or you know ukuthi Umangwabe like ugijimisa igazi, or una that thing or something, or that feistiness keeps uMusa on his toes. There's something, man, that keeps drawing uMusa to Umangwabe. But listen, I am still saying ukuthi hi guys, uMangwabe there's some, and it's giving vibes zokuthi maybe uMangwabe is not going to lead you guys. We are not guaranteed with that because it looks like uMangwabe, she's not saying the words ukuthi ngiyahamba. She's just saying ukuthi mina I said vele ukuthi number 5 megafika uzo-replace mina, but when she's not explicitly saying ukuthi hayi mina vele ngiyahamba type of thing. And even in next week's trailer for next week's episode, when uMakhumalo is speaking to uMangwabe saying ukuthi mina nje I'm just happy that wena awusahambi, and then uMbali then says ukuthi hayibo kusho bani. So it's like she wants everyone to ukuthi batatazele ukuthi hey uMbali asifuna ukuthi ahambe, hey isithembu sika Musa. It's like everyone must tatazela for her, but deep down it's like it makes her, I don't know, but it's like she's smiling over these things. Musa was even asking for a kiss there, and she's like hayibo wena from season 1 you have never kissed me manje, so funu kiss wena. I'm just like Mangwabe. Anyway, I wouldn't judge her, guys. If she decided to stay, I wouldn't judge her. But if you decide to stay in a situation like this, I kind of feel like uMangwabe has she has kind of got the memo of how to live Estiembin. Because uMangwabe, guys, she's mostly at work. Her work is keeping her busy, and she stays out of people's business. And it seems like it's working well for her. But one thing, she knows how to keep her man in check, you guys. And that man, I feel like even if uMangwabe could say Bambi meeting, we are only Sagiti for whatever reason, Musa will do exactly that because yay, who's Nengele, you guys. And listen, I love it for her. Listen, I love it for her, but we all know Wutu Musa is begging her for selfish reasons, you guys. Only for maybe his ego to say, Wuti, I've not lost any woman. But Musa says, listen, angiglengi because ngiyasaba ukuthi ngizohamba. Ngiglenga because it's the right thing to do. And for me, it's like if a person saying to me it's the right thing to do, it's like saying, Wuti, yes, because there's Tembin, you're not supposed to let any of your wives go or divorce any of your wives, even if you're not in love with them anymore. I would have appreciated if he said, because ndiyakuthanda and I really want to do here, even though he did say that indirectly. But anyway, Aibo Mangwabe for the ladies in South Africa, she needs to give us tips, guys. She needs to give us tips because I shame that. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.